Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be working on a Suzuki GSXR 600. So first off, I'm going to start off with removing the reservoir. Go ahead and undo this clip behind there. These two. Okay, now I got that all disconnected. Go ahead and use a 10 to pop off the main brake line, hard line there. Going to be doing the rear brake. Undo this clip, that nut off. It's a 36. Sometimes you gotta give that a little tap out. My chain's loose enough, you usually have to loosen that up. Go ahead and pop that shaft all the way out. The brakes will kind of drop down. Then you come over here and you're gonna remove your chain. And then it'll kind of drop down. I'm gonna drop it down more. Pull the chain all the way off. And then just slowly pull it out. Here we go, got the tire removed. Your next step is pull this cover off, pops right off. And then there's those two little clips right there. You're gonna have to pull those out. And then there's two little pins that you need to pull out. And the brakes will fall right out. I used a magnet to kind of help pull those little pins out. Gonna want to put the brake pads in there. This is upside down from on the bike. Slide the pads in there. Then you're gonna take those two pins, put them back in there to hold it up, but make sure when you do, you get that hole on the outside. So on the outside of the bike, this side, you can put these pins through there to hold it into place. And then once the pins are in place, these clips go in under those two pins and wrap around the brake to hold it into place. Put the brake pads up in there, and then I took one of these aligner pins, put it in. Then I took these clips, put one in over the pin, and then I slowly worked this pin in to hold that brake pad and that clip into place. Then I moved on to the second one through the pad, and then I put the clip into place, pushed it all the way through to add the third clip in that goes through and holds those pins in place. When you do that, before you're installing your brakes, make sure you release the pressure off your calipers. Go ahead and install the tire back on. So I'm gonna hold those open, slide the brake into place, all that, make sure you put the cover on. Go ahead and slide the wheel into place. Make sure you got your chain kind of up out of the way so you can put it back on. Hold your brake pads apart to slide the brake in. Go ahead and slide it up into place, actual shaft in, and make sure you use the fatter side towards the adjuster for the chain. Once you get that axle shaft into place, put the chain back on. I'll tighten that a little bit, but we're gonna adjust the chain and make sure the chain's nice and tight first. That's way too sloppy. So the way to do that is tighten that to pull the whole axle stud out to get the chain in place. One of the best ways to bleed your brakes on a bike is gravity bleed it. So you go ahead and open up your bleeder valve on your brakes, and then you open up your reserve. Just make sure you keep your reserve filled up when you're doing this. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch you in the next videos.